A radio song coming from Chicago. Will You Still Love Me is the title of that song. Requested song. Yep, somebody asked for that song. Just before that one was also a requested song. Natalie Cole with Starting Over Again. You have to forgive the slow songs. String of slow songs that I just played. Because people ask for them, right? Enough of the explanation already. And yeah, time for me now to introduce to you guys this handsome fellas we have here at the station right now. Self-introduction po tayo. They are here to invite everybody. They are from CACS or the Center for Asian Culinary Studies. Okay, hello mga chef. You self-introduction, sir. All right.
Hello guys. Isang maulan na umaga sa inyo. I'm Chef Mark. I
Chef
also
Mark.
play Daryl sa Walking Dead.
And also known as Leon Guerrero, right?
As Leon Guerrero. Kasi
Chef
idol
Mark.
ko si Lito Lapid. Kaso tumaba ako. Lito Lapad na.
And
I'm Chef Jester. Ewan ko, pogi lang talaga ako. Yun lang ata yun.
Chef Jester.
Yes.
These are two of the chefs that, you know, probably two of the best chefs I've ever known. I'm not asking here, you know, because they gave me foods that are like, well, that led me to that. Judging from, kasi binigyan nila akong food, pinatikim sa akin, natikman ko eh. What can I do? So probably from what I've tasted, yeah. And you guys are here today to invite our listeners, right? Sige, go ahead, sir. Feel free.
Yes, we're inviting everyone to please check out our school because we will be conducting a workshop this 15th. It's a cheesecake workshop, different kinds of cheesecakes.
Wow, cheesecake workshop.
Cheesecake
Yes.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of cheesecake. Yeah, especially the blueberry cheesecake.
They will
Sige,
be,
go ahead.
Chef Arlene Lazaro will be conducting this workshop. This on the 15th and starting 4 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah, and they can visit the school for their reservation now
All right.
because there's only a couple of slots available.
Yep. Hey, this could be useful for those who will enroll, diba? Because someday they might be able to open their own, you know,
Yes, they can
bakery
even start.
Tamang-tama, may blueberry cheesecake nga. Oh.
You know?
Papadala ako dito. So, ang matututunan
Una,
nila,
nagkabala
marble
pa.
cheesecake, may low-bake cheesecake para doon sa mga bahay na walang oven. Hindi naman tayo lahat may oven. May New York cheesecake, at syempre yung blueberry cheesecake, tsaka yung strawberry cheesecake.
You mentioned hindi naman lahat meron. You mean there's a way of
Yes.
doing or making blueberry cheesecake
Without
without an oven?
Without an oven.
What are we gonna do? Pan fry it or
Chill lang.
isasaing ba?
It's refrigerated siya.
Oh, i-ref lang. All you have to do is mix, and then ref. Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Actually,
Okay.
some of
First
our
time I heard about
students,
that.
even on the workshops, nag-start sila ng mga business nila from the workshop.
Okay.
Tapos nagbebenta sila online.
See?
They don't need a shop para doon sa...
Kaya nga.
Ayan. So you guys better check this out. This, once again, will be on July
15.
15.
Yes.
All right? So yung mga interested, all they have to do is, what? Go there, right? At CACS. Or pwede rin. You guys are everywhere. You got your Facebook page. You got your... Sige, tell them about it.
We have our mobile number. It is 0906 488 5023. That's 0906 488 5023.
Okay.
Or our landline is 250 3172.
All right.
And you can visit our Facebook page for further information on our workshops and on our courses.
Yep. And of course, they won't be able to remember all those numbers. Those numbers are there on
Yes,
the
on
official
our Facebook page.
Tignan nyo na lang yung CACS Subic Bay Official.
Yep.
Yes.
And all the stuff you do there, it's also posted there, right?
Huwag yung titignan
And a whole lot
yung
more.
Guerrero ng Facebook. Siguro, kalokohan.
Actually, that's an CACS.
Yeah.
Subic Bay Official.
Subic Bay Official. Kasi maraming gustong bumaya pero walang makagaya.
Yun lang. That's all you have to look up, right? CACS.
Nga pala, yung enrollment, umpisa na naman para sa bagong batches ng professional course tsaka ng basic skills. So, target namin magbukas sa August, first week ng August. So, yung ibang mga gusto, humabol na kasi limited lang yung slots.
Yes.
Okay.
A couple more, actually, start na sila.
Konti na lang mag-uumpisa na.
Yes, and if there's kasi iba medyo gusto nilang ma-visit yung school, we're located corner Manila and Dewey Avenue sa just besides dun sa
Royal Choices, tabi
katabi lang ng Royal Choices. Madali puntahan pagpasok nyo, Geography 101, ano? Yes. Pagpasok nyo, we call it the Rizal Gate, right?
Yes.
Yung Rizal Gate, diretso lang yun eh.
Diretso sa kaliwa at kanan, diretso lang.
May intersection, diretso pa. Yan. Tawid. And then, diretso.
Pag may nakita kayo school na maraming kumakain.
Maraming tumatawa.
Masaya dun kasi.
Masaya. Ay, siya nga pala, sir, pa-plug lang din.
Don't call me sir. Don't call me ma'am din. Pare ko. Ano yung pare ko? Sige, plug lang pare.
Magkakaroon ng event dito yung Queen of the Philippines. So, isa kami sa major sponsors nun. Papakainin namin lahat ng mga chicks.
Papakainin namin lahat ng mga chicks.
Lalo na sa bikini, yung bikini.
I like how it sounds, huh?
Yes. Because we always cook with love.
Yun naman.
May halong pagmamahal. So August 1, yung Grand Coronation Night, nandun din kami.
Yung
papakainin namin kahit hindi chicks.
Yun. Grand Pageant Night. It's gonna be at SBYC, right?
Yes.
We're promoting that one too. Is it like open to the public or there's tickets? Yung mga gusto manood ng Grand Pageant Night? Kasi we're announcing it. We were not told kung may tickets ba or basta we're inviting all of you to check it out.
Ikaw, iniimbita kita para pumunta sa buffet table namin.
Sige, sir. Wala nga palang, sir. I'm sorry. If there are no tickets, it's okay.
Yun.
Yeah, okay. So, anything else you would like to add before we wrap things up, Parikoy?
Ikaw, gusto mo sabihin?
Actually, yun lang. We're inviting you, even if you're just a bit curious about the school, you can always visit us. Kasi iba, they don't really have the idea of a culinary school.
Exactly.
They can visit the school, they can go around, we're there to answer any questions.
Sa pala, sa Harbor Point, magkakaroon kami ng series ng mga demo.
Yes.
Okay.
Sa, kailan mo yun? August, no?
Starting August.
So check it out as well, dun sa Harbor Point.
Makakita kayo ng mga magagandang...
When is this, sir? Oh, no, sir nga pala. I'm sorry. When is this?
Ina-arreglo pa namin sa...
ina-arrange pa. Okay.
Just pero definitely this August.
And you guys can send in the, if you have info already. Okay. Okay, so judging from what you heard, guys, most probably, if you're gonna enroll at CACS, ayan, masaya yan. Masaya na narinig nyo, di ba?
Binabati ko lang yung nanay ko na ikinig siya ngayon. Hi, ma.
Hello, Chef Mark's mom.
Hello, tita.
And Chef Jester's tita. What about Mickey's?
Mickey's mom.
Stacy's mom.
All right. Okay, so we will now go back to regular programming. Thank you guys for dropping by. Si Chef Mark, ladies and gentlemen, and Chef Jester.
Thank you.
All right, check the time. It's now 12:42 p.m. Time check brought to you by PLDT Subic-Tel DSL, the official live streaming partner of 89.5 My Subic Bay Radio. Call them up 2522-375 or email sales@subic-tel.ph. We're going to pause for a short break and we'll be back with more radio contest coming up. Stick around.
Did you know that the flagpole in front of Building 229 is symbolic? The flagstaff has a height of 94 feet, symbolizing 94 years of the U.S. military presence in Subic Bay. The flagpole base measures 8 feet in height, symbolizing the 8,000 volunteers of Subic Bay. On November 24, 1991, one of the biggest Philippine flags